Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz, coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago, looking to take a look at the euro currency. Of course, we have been pretty negative this once it hit the 121 level, and I think one of the things we want to look at, it's kind of like the weather. It's too hot out there. The euro is too hot. I think really what's happened here is, of course, when we get this currency manipulation, these financial engineering deals, we've seen that the dollar fell dramatically, and of course the euro rallied dramatically. But I think what you're going to see here is the ECB probably will step out here at some point in time. If the euro doesn't continue to go down on its own and lower today and lower yesterday and today, if we don't continue to see this push down, I think you're going to see the ECB step in here and try to cool this down, because again, one of the things that countries and banks look for is the GDP, and the higher the currency, the harder it is to return and export goods. So that's one of the things that we'll continue to watch here. And I think really what we're looking for here is a place to sell. I think if we get a rally back to 120, even maybe the 119 might be a little bit aggressive, but those are areas now that you want to look to sell. It looks like we're certainly pointed and headed back down to at least 114 and possibly a lot lower. But again, we look at one target at a time, but the entire picture is kind of murky here. And of course, you've seen a dramatic beat down of the dollar. Since the dollar makes up, or since the euro currency makes up 60% of the US dollar index, that would be a reason to believe that the dollar is now started to rally, which would create a lot of pressure on the euro. So either it's going to go down normally and there's going to be sellers stepping in, or you're going to see some ECB intervention and they're going to try to force it down, because one of the things, again, these central banks want, they like to work with these fiat currencies and try to manipulate them a little bit. And I think we'll see that this was too hot. And that's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz, coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.